Hi there. So in our last video, we have explored GrooveCM's new pricing, and I've also shared my experience using GrooveCM. I've given you a high-level overview of some of the apps I use, but in today's video, we are going to review GroovePages. At the end of this video, you should be able to build a landing page for your lead magnet. So Groove uses Groove Pages to build out their own website. I will leave my affiliate link in the description of this video where you can also claim some bonuses if you sign up with my affiliate link. I would encourage you to go and explore on Groove website how the website is built so that you can see what is possible with GroovePages. All right. There are a lot of good website and landing page builders out there, but unfortunately, the costs are also very high, and some of them are really difficult to manage and to navigate. GroovePages that form part of Groove suite of tools is a cost-effective solution. It's also relatively easy to use with its drag and drop builder and various templates that you can choose from and customize. So, in just 3 easy steps, you will be able to build out your landing page for your lead magnet. Step 1. Sign up for your GrooveCM account or sign into your account if you already have one. Alright, so here we are on the dashboard of my GrooveCM account. Groove Pages, you can access it from here or from here. So let's go into Groove Pages from here. Let's build a new site. Choose a single page. Now you can choose a blank template or any of the available templates out there. Make it easy to look for your lead generation page. We can just choose from these options over here, opt in. Let's find one that will work for us. I'll choose this one for today's demo. And name your site. Let's start building. Alright, so here is your landing page. And now you can customize it. I've used PLR content as a freebie and I've downloaded it from a site I trust. I will also leave my referral link in the description of this video. You can go and check it out. It's called plr.me. All right. So the checklist that I've downloaded is called Living in Abundance. So I'm going to call this Grab Your Free Abundance Checklist. Over here, you can just make sure it's on text, the text element. Over here, you can then change your text according to your specific need. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever will work best for you. A different color, you can choose the font, any font over here. Let's make it this font, make it a little bigger. And so, for instance, you want to change the background, then we can go over to the block, the whole block, go to background, and you can change the image over here. You can choose an image from your image library or from free stock photos, or if you have Groove Designer Pro, or you can just upload an image from your device. I will choose this one for this demo. And now you can see the text needs to be more readable, so we can change the color the background color, make it, for example, blue, and then set the transparency, for example, on 70 so that you can read the text and still see the image in the background. You can change the copy of this page, customize it for your own needs, your own logo. In the next video, I will show you how you can connect this form to Groove's autoresponder Groove Mail. Alright, so now you can save this page if you're happy. But say, for example, you want to add another block, you can come over here and click on this plus sign and choose from any of these templates. So, for instance, modern or wireframe or direct response templates, or let's say we will choose from modern, and the category will be frequently asked questions. You can choose this one, and now you can customize this as well. Edit the text and the copy to suit your specific freebie, all right, or your specific online course or business. If you want to add an element, you can come over here and you can add any of these elements over here, a button. So for example, you want to add another image, you can come and add it over here and choose from your library, and you can set it so that it will be either in the middle of the page or on the sides, whichever will work best for you. Let's just delete this for now. Save our page. And if we are happy, we can then publish this page. We can come over here to publish and publish it using GroovePages subdomain, or you can choose your own custom domain. For example, I've got onlinelaunchmap.com, and you can buy it, your domain, from a provider like, for example, Namecheap. Or like I said, we can use GroovePages subdomain, and you can give your folder a name, for example, the Abundance Freebie. Okay, and now you can publish your website over here. This landing page takes some time to publish. You can come and have a look over here. If it's published, when it's green, you know it's published. You can just test it by going over to the actual live page, and you will see our page is live. So in 3 easy steps. Number 1, you access GroovePages. Number 2, you choose a template and customize it. And number 3, you publish your site. And that's how easy it gets. So what I also like about GroovePages is this SEO section. You can come over here and you can enter the page title, meta keywords, meta description, and you can also check your SEO health here. This is especially helpful if you want to generate organic traffic and you have blogs or your website that you want to optimize for search engines. All right, so now we have built our landing page for our lead magnet on GroovePages. If you have any questions on GroovePages, please let me know in the comments below this video. Also note that building a website or landing page with GroovePages is only one part of Groove's comprehensive suite of tools that you can use to streamline your online business. So if you want to take advantage of GrooveCM's new pricing, you can click the link in the description below, and you will also be able to claim lead generation bonuses. See you in the next video. Bye bye.